good afternoon. Related to week one's discussion, I wanted to elaborate on a few things. So that you're to answer two questions. Why do you think it's important for coders to understand the Chargemaster? And should coders be involved in the Chargemaster coordination or maintenance? So to clarify just a little bit about the Chargemaster, I'm going to share my personal experience and what happens at our hospital. The coder in our area, we don't actually have coders assigned to the Chargemaster team, but we do have people that are knowledgeable about CPT codes and HCPCS too. So how the Chargemaster impacts my team, though, is when a patient comes in for, let's say, a chest x-ray, excuse me, because they have a cough, the Chargemaster would assign the CPT code related to that chest x-ray, and then my coders would be assigning the ICD-10 diagnosis for the cough, or whatever the findings may be of the x-ray. So as a coder, it's really important to determine, are you assigning the CPT code, or is that something that the Chargemaster does, and how does that CPT get to the claim, more or less? A good idea why coders should be involved in the maintenance is because we are the experts of CPT and HCPCS2 coding, and we have to make sure that the Chargemaster is updated each year when new codes are assigned. I'm going to give you an example, an embarrassing example about something that happened with me in my very early career. There was a lab. I was over the Chargemaster, and it was the first time that really I had ever had any dealings with the Chargemaster. And so I had forgotten to update a lab code that had expired. So what happened was we started getting claims back because it was an invalid code, and it's because I didn't update the Chargemaster. So lesson learned. I can look back now and chuckle about it. At the time it was devastating, but that's just, it was definitely something to learn by, that you have to make sure that your Chargemaster is up to date, otherwise it will result in denials. So let me know if you have any questions. Just wanted to give a tidbit about Chargemasters. Thanks.